REDTIGER A4 4K Dash Cam, your ultimate driving guardian. Upgrade your driving safety with the REDTIGER A4 4K Dash Cam front and rear, a powerful dual-channel driving recorder designed to capture every moment on the road with crystal-clear precision. Equipped with 4K Ultra HD recording, GPS tracking, 5G Wi-Fi, touchscreen, night vision, voice control, and 24H parking mode, this dash cam is the perfect companion for modern drivers who value security and convenience. Ultra HD 4K front and rear recording. The REDTIGER A4 records stunning 4K resolution in the front camera and Full HD in the rear camera, ensuring license plates, traffic signs, and road details are captured clearly in all driving conditions. Whether day or night, you'll never miss critical evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Advanced night vision technology. With enhanced night vision and high-sensitivity image sensors, this dash cam delivers sharp and bright footage even in low-light environments. Drive confidently after dark knowing your vehicle is fully protected. Built-in GPS tracking. The integrated GPS module records your real-time speed, driving route, and location, providing valuable data for accident reports and insurance claims. Review your journey easily through the companion app or PC playback. 5G Wi-Fi and Smart App Control. Thanks to high-speed 5G Wi-Fi, you can instantly connect your smartphone to the dash cam. View live footage, download videos, and manage settings directly from the mobile app, no cables needed. Touchscreen voice control. The large responsive touchscreen allows simple and intuitive operation. For hands-free convenience, the voice control function lets you start recording, lock videos, or take photos using simple voice commands, keeping your eyes on the road. 24H parking mode, nonstop vehicle protection. Even when your car is parked, the REDTIGER A4 continues to protect it. The 24-hour parking monitoring mode detects motion or impact and automatically records suspicious activity, giving you peace of mind day and night, hardware kit required. Loop recording and emergency lock. With loop recording, old footage is automatically overwritten when storage is full. In case of sudden collision or emergency braking, the G-sensor locks important video files to prevent them from being deleted. Easy installation and sleek design. The REDTIGER A4 features a compact and modern design that blends seamlessly into any vehicle interior. Installation is quick and simple, suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Key features at a glance: front 4K plus rear 1080p dual recording. Night vision with high-sensitivity sensor. Built-in GPS tracking. 5G Wi-Fi and mobile app control. Touchscreen operation. Voice control commands. 24H parking mode. Loop recording and G-sensor emergency lock. Wide-angle lens for maximum coverage. Perfect for daily commuters. Long-distance drivers. Ride-sharing drivers, Uber, taxi, Grab. Car owners who want full-time vehicle security. Anyone who values safety and evidence protection. Why choose REDTIGER A4? The REDTIGER A4 combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design, delivering professional-level protection at an affordable price. It's not just a dash cam, it's your silent witness on every journey. Order the REDTIGER A4 4K dash cam today and drive with confidence knowing every moment is recorded and protected. Product link in the video description. Click the link in the video description below to check it out and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel, Best Products 365, for more awesome tech reviews and smart shopping tips. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.